Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check the air pressure in your tire, what to look for, and how to fill it up using an air hose. But before I get into that, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any comments, leave a comment and I'll reply back to you. Let's get rolling on this. So what we'll do is we'll pretend that we just pulled up to a gas station or a service center. So you're going to take the air hose. It's a pretty poor service center. There's not even any ices or nothing here. So, I think I'm out of beer too. You might want to go home. So, alright, so you're going to take your air hose. If you go to some places like, maybe Cumberland Farms, they have a machine. It's like 75 cents and there's like a dial on the machine and you can set like the air pressure to like 32 pounds. And as you're adding air to the tire, it'll go up to that 32 pounds and it'll start to ding when it stops. But I'll show you how to do it, using this air hose. And let's go over to the truck. Okay, so what you want to do is on your car or your truck, you want to open up the driver's side door. Usually around the driver's side door, there's a sticker. And the sticker will tell you like the recommended tire pressure for the vehicle. Like you can see here, I have a 2012 Explorer. It says the front tires, they recommend like 35 pounds of air, cold, and the rear is the same. So they're requiring that these car tires have 35 pounds in them. So what you want to do is on the tire itself, there's going to be like a, let me find it. Yeah, there's going to be a maximum. And you'll see the maximum tire pressure that the tire would take. And on here, it's right here. It'll say 44 pounds of pressure. So you never want to go over that because it creates a dangerous situation and you don't want the tire to explode or anything like that. So we're going to put 35 pounds of pressure in here. But let's check them first to see where we're at. So if you're at a gas station or something like that doesn't have one of those fancy machines, you're going to want to pick up a tire pressure gauge. This is what it looks like. You can pick it up at pretty much any kind of like automotive store, like AutoZone or Pep Boys or O'Reilly's or whoever it might be. You might even be able to find one at like Kmart and stuff like that too in the automotive section. So how to use it is so let's take the cover off the valve stem and take your tire pressure gauge. You're going to press it in and then the little like stick will shoot out. So right now it says that we're at like 32 pounds of pressure, so we're down a couple of pounds. So we're going to add a couple of pounds to it and recheck it. So just take your air hose and there should be an end on it like this. I'm going to fill it up a little bit. That may be enough, so let's recheck it. Okay, take your tire pressure gauge, put it on, and let's see what it says. So that's at about 35 pounds of pressure, so we should be right on the money with that. So once you get the correct amount of air pressure put back into the tire, put the cap back on the valve stem so no debris or dirt gets into it. So that's pretty much it. It's not that hard to do. I hope this helped you out. And if you have any questions, leave a comment on the channel. I'll reply back to you. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got a lot of great content coming out. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.